Did you know South Korea will pay you for your entire university education, including your flights, housing, meals, and even a monthly living allowance? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply for the GKS scholarships in 2026. Let's get started. The Global Korea Scholarship, also called GKS, is funded directly by the South Korean government. It was created to bring talented students from around the world to study in Korea. And the funding they provide is extraordinary. This is not a partial scholarship. This is fully funded, meaning Korea covers everything. Here is exactly what GKS covers. 1. Full tuition for your entire degree. 2. A return air ticket when you arrive and when you finish. 3rd, accommodation on campus or a monthly housing allowance. 4th, a monthly stipend, about $960 per month for master's students and $1,100 for PhD students. 5th, Korean language training for 1 full year before your degree starts. 6th, health insurance for your entire stay. Everything is covered. You focus on studying. If this is your first time here, subscribe now. I share verified scholarship, visa, and job opportunities from around the world every single week. Now, let's talk about who can apply. Here is who can apply to GKS. You must be a citizen of a country other than South Korea. 2. You must be under 40 years old. For graduate programs, 3rd, for a master's degree, you need a completed bachelor degree. 4. For a PhD, you need a completed master's degree. 5. You must have a GPA of at least 2.64 out of 4.0. That is a C plus average. So this is very accessible. 6. You must not hold a Korean citizenship and you must not have received GKS before. You do not need to speak Korean to apply. The language training is included in the scholarship. There are 2 ways to apply for GKS. You can apply through your country's Korean embassy, called the embassy track, or directly through a Korean university, called the university track. I recommend the embassy track because the success rate is higher and the process is more straightforward. Step 1, choose your Korean university and program. Go to the GKS website, study.go.kr. Browse the list of participating universities and find a program that matches what you want to study. Write down your top 3 choices. Step 2, prepare your documents. Here is what you will need. Completed GKS application form. Download it from the website. 2, personal statement. Write about why you want to study in Korea and future plans. 3, study plan. A 1 to 2 page plan of what you will study and research. 4, official academic transcripts. 5, 2 letters of recommendation from professor or employers. 6, copy of your international passport. 7, medical certificate. Some embassies require this. Pro tip, start your personal statement early. This is the part that will make you stand out. Be specific about why Korea, why this program, and what you will do after. Step 3, submit to your Korea embassy. Visit the Korea embassy website in your country and find the GKS application deadline. It is usually between January and March for the 2026 intake. Submit all your documents before the deadline. Step 4, wait for the interview and the result. Some embassies require a short interview after the embassy selection. NIIED in in Korea makes the final decision. You will be notified usually by April or May. If you want me to send you official GKS application form and a checklist of all the documents you need, drop Korea below in the comments right now, and I'll send it to you for free. Or find me on TikTok at trip_doc. South Korea is one of the most exciting places in the world to study right now. Strong universities, safe cities, incredible culture, and they are offering to pay for everything. If you are a student looking for an opportunity to change your life, the GKS scholarship is one of the best you can ever find. Apply early, prepare well, and don't give up on this dream. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend looking for a scholarship. I'll see you in the next video.